My name is George Rizk, and I am the manufacturing engineer at Gerard Daniel. So I am a manufacturing engineer, so basically what I do mainly is any 3D design for tooling, for equipment improvement, or maybe introducing a new equipment to enhance our product and of course to enhance our productivity. Besides, my daily routine is to help in the scheduling department in the wire draw. I help facilitate a lot of project improvement and helping and training the new operators we have to work right with the machine and maintain the machine. There is a lot of things I like here about Gerard Daniel. So first thing, the culture and the environment. You work, everyone is trying to support, everyone is working hand to hand. Whenever you have a problem, everyone is gathering, is trying to brainstorming, working as a team and solving all the problems we are facing. Since all the people supported me starting working here and walk me through, I support the same way the people. So I don't interact directly with customer, but I work with the products for the customer. So I work with QC, sales, support them in any problems, especially in finding the root cause problems for any non-conformance which might arise. I'm actually proud of something happened recently. I was nominated and induced and inducted by Marquis Who's Who. I was nominated to be one of the most professional engineer in USA for 2023, and I was accepted in the program. So I did almost an interview for almost an hour about all my engineering background history, specialization in project management and process improvement. And to be honest, part of my nomination was accredited by the work I did here in Gerard Daniel. So I have been working here for a year, and I'm very grateful for all the projects we had achieved in this very short time. Here at Gerard Daniel, I do believe that I make a difference.